Hi, welcome. This is my first ever YouTube video, so it's kind of a bit scary. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through like my basic beauty routine, which I actually hardly ever do. Like maybe I'll do this once a week if I'm like not busy. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Asano Superfoods Turmeric Reviving Facial Mask, which actually like I'm not really, well, it's fine, like it's good, but I just got it for free for my work because like as a gift from someone, so yeah, that's why I use this one. So I just take this and I just apply it onto my face. So I'm actually like filming this on my phone, so when I look at myself I'm not looking at you. So if I'm like not making eye contact with you, that's kind of why. By the way, this is the thing. How do you make this go into focus? Maybe it's not going to. That'll do. As I said, I just have this randomly, so just do what you want. Anyway, what you can do is you can do that. You like leave this for like 10 minutes and it will just like do an amazing thing. So I'll be back. I'm just gonna do a lip scrub. I'm just gonna put some water on my lips first because it seems like a good idea. I also got this lip scrub like a billion years ago. It's actually quite good, but I just like don't use these things very often. It says used by 2018, but it's made of sugar, so it doesn't really go off. And like if you like did this as like a regular person, like it would probably be good to do it like once a week. Because I can't be bothered, then I don't really do it ever. Like maybe when I'm on holiday, like now. With the lip scrub, you just like take some on your fingers like this and just put it on. Turn it around. And it's actually edible, so you can just eat it if it like goes in your mouth. And there's your little round, just your little round circles on your lips. It should like take the dead skin off and make them look super light. And I'm kind of overdoing it, but it's fine. You can go this as well. Anyway, now you look like a beautiful clown. You can also like put some cucumber on your eyes if you want, but then you kind of have to lie down so they don't fall off. So I'm not going to do that, and I don't have any cucumber. So I just went to get all my supplies because I didn't really plan to do YouTube videos, so I just watched this video this morning by this YouTuber, Kelly Stamps, and she's like, make a YouTube channel, so here I am. Just check that the door's locked so my flatmates don't come in. This has been on for quite a while now. Oh, it's not even dry. Okay, you see it's like kind of starts to get dry like this, but it's probably been on long enough, so you can just wash it off. Actually, I'm going to use a face cloth. This really raggedy face cloth. But that's fine, because it does the job. Put some hot water, squeeze it out, and you can just take the stuff off your lips first. And look how like lush your lips look after. Like really beautiful. And then just like wipe this stuff off. Done. Just kidding. Okay. Okay, so the reason that I don't really do this that often is because I don't really think it's that important, to be honest, like in the grand scheme of life. If you've got beautiful skin, you take good care of it, then I don't know, maybe it's going to affect your life, but I don't really think so. If you're like a physicist or something, or like anything that's not like beauty related, then it's probably going to be fine if your skin's not perfect, like, and who cares? So there's no like pressure to do this kind of thing. It's just kind of fun sometimes. Because I put the lip scrub, I'm just going to take this paw and I'm just going to put it on. But actually I like didn't brush my teeth this morning yet, so I'm going to like brush my teeth and then I'm gonna put it on. I've done my teeth. Beautiful. I'm gonna put the trusty pawpaw, Lucas's pawpaw ointment, which is like famous. I think it's just like essentially petroleum jelly, to be honest. Just gonna put like heaps of that on my lips now just to like soak it in. Like really put heaps. I'm just gonna put like a moisturizer. It's the Weleda Skin Food. I got this light one. I don't know. I thought just the light one might be a bit better. I just put the tiniest little bit like this. And just rub it between my fingers. And just put it all over. Like, okay, this is the part that I would like always do. I wouldn't always do the mask. Usually I would just wash my face with water or like wash my face in the shower, and then when I get out of the shower I would put on this moisturizer. But doing this mask actually makes your skin feel quite delicious. Like quite like closed pores. Closed pores. And then I just like tap my skin like this because I saw heaps of people do that on YouTube. It's just kind of fun though. So you just like tap your skin and it feels nice. There's also like this thing called tapping, and you can like tap different parts of your body like in a special way, like just like this. And it can actually help reduce stress. You can also do it on your fingers. That's like a whole other thing. Okay, when you've like tapped to your heart's content. But I just started using this, but I think I might get a different one because it's quite heavy and like doesn't do quite what I want it to do. But I got a Nature 2-in-1 clever stick, which is like a concealer and foundation in one, so it's quite like a full coverage, I guess. But I just want a little bit of it because I just want to spread it out for every day. So I just put like a little bit here, a little bit here, just like that much, maybe like a little bit. And then you like leave this little dab that I put on. I didn't put like a big streak. So then you just want to use your fingers, spread this out. And just try and like blend it in with your face moisturizer. You can like do this with any foundation. Probably a more liquidy foundation is actually better, and you just put like the tiniest bit. Just evens out the skin a little bit instead of putting the full face of foundation on. And I've got like a little spot here which I don't usually do this, but I have like this concealer which is also from Nature, actually natural cover concealer. And just put like the tiniest dot here. And then like sometimes I put a dot like at the side of the eyes there. And one here, just the tiniest little bit, because I mean, just for every day, you know. So I'll just dab that. Okay, don't know if it really did anything, but that's fine. And then just blend it in nicely like that. So that's the foundation, and then what I'm going to do, which you don't have to do if you don't like a powdery look, and I don't always know if I like really love this, but if you put like that really light layer of foundation, and then you can take, I've got Kat Von D's setting powder here, translucent setting powder, and I just got a little brush here that I actually use for heaps of stuff. Like I just don't even use different brushes, which is not really what you're supposed to do, but that's fine. And then I just like put some powder and tap it off. And then like powder my whole face. Just kind of set that foundation. It means you can like put other powders like bronzer or like contour on top, and it won't like clog. It won't like stick to certain parts of the foundation because you've already put that layer of powder on the top. And just like brush it off, so it's just like a really light layer. Once I've done that, I grab my bronzer, which I have this Mecca one. Don't really recommend, it's like it's fine, but it's not the best. Mecca Max bronzer, and it says Sunlit Skin. I don't know if that's like the color. Oh, it's a medium. So it looks like this, and I just use the same brush and I just swirl it around, and then I tap it off just to get any excess off. Okay, you kind of need to swirl it heaps with this one because it doesn't really like come off that easily. And then you just tap it, tap, 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 tap. And then like I just saw this in the Kardashian video, like you just do a 3 like this, or you can also, and I just start here and build it up a little bit, like so it's like a little bit of contour, and then just get that 3 like that, and up here, and you can like put a little bit on your nose. And then what I do is I just like brush it into my eye creases, so it just like deepens them a little bit, so just like that. And you can kind of put it all around because it's just bronzer, like it's just gonna make you glow. And then just get some blush here, same thing, just tap it off and just put a little bit, just to give a bit of rosiness. And you can put a little bit on your nose if you want like a little red nose. And then I just do my eyelashes. And I just put a little bit on there. Look at that. Oh my god, I totally forgot my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyebrows as well. Doing the mascara face, huh? Just do my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go with this mascara here. Oh, just smudge that off. Gone. I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I did have the Anastasia brush, you know, like the thin one with the little spoolie on the end, but I don't have that right now because I lost it when I went into town. So I just kind of comb my brows up with a comb like this. Give them a bit more volume. I need to like shape them or something, I don't know, but that's just like pretty much my natural eyebrows. Like didn't shape my eyebrows for most of my life, but now recently I just did it just for the sake of it. I just get brush and I like try to, well, I'm just using this paintbrush. This is literally like a paintbrush. I don't know why. Hang on. There we are. It's like thin at the end, but it's all I have, so I'm just gonna use it. And then I just outline like the ends of my eyebrow. Try to get a nice thin point over here, and then on the underside as well. It gets like quite dry, this product, but it actually like still works. It's alright. We're all good. And then what I do is I just like fluff it out at the front a little bit like this. Like do a little bit of hair kind of texture. You don't want that front to be super harsh, you know, like you see those people. I mean, it's all good, whatever. But like it'll be super harsh here, and it's like your eyebrow. I think the point like with doing these kind of graduated brows, gradiated, I don't know, it's not like you need to have that total like Instagram gradient, like dark and then like light and like perfectly square, but like your eyebrows naturally do have like less hairs over here, so if you like make it a bit lighter here, then it gives a bit of that impression. And the last step of that face is this fixer spray by Tarte, which I don't always use, so use it if you want. Use some sort of fixative spray. You can even use hairspray, like if you really want your makeup to stay and you don't have a fixer spray. Like, it's an old trick, don't you know? Okay, and you just spray it all over. Even though there's not much to set, but you know, it just helps give it that extra finish, and it also smells delicious. And that is the final look. I just like keep my pawpaw on hand, like I don't do anything on my lips apart from this, and just like keep it, oh my god, my eyelash is doing something crazy. I just keep it on hand, this pawpaw, and just like put it on through the day if you feel like you need like a little bit of that extra juice in your lips. I just feel like it's quite a fresh, like minimal look, like just popping out for the day. You don't really have to worry about it too much. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more content that I might make, who knows, because this is my first video, then please subscribe down here or here, wherever it is, and we'll see what happens.